Next question, why is a smartphone called so? Okay, why is the smartphone called smart? Is it smart in comparison to old phones, or is it smart in comparison to humans?
Compared to old phones.
Compared to old phones, okay. What are the other answers?
It's going beyond basic functions.
Going beyond basic functions. Okay, what is the basic function of the phone?
Like speaking of call speaking.
Okay.
It eases the activities of humans. Like apart from making phone calls, we can do a lot of things using a smartphone.
Okay. So why do we need to do all those things that that phones are doing now?
We can actually save a lot of time, and in this fast moving world we can keep ourselves updated. When we make use of smartphone, we get everything in our hands using those smart apps.
Okay. Yes. Very good answer. So I think among yourselves you have given me all the answers that are required. So when we talk about a smartphone, right? Obviously, it is smarter in comparison to older phones. So when I'm saying older phones, it could be even our landlines, right? So it's also better than the landlines, and also the older, let's say, early generation phones in earlier 2000s, when it was just a phone which was used to make a phone call. But the other thing also which you brought up is it also helps us human beings do a lot of things. So we all know that we have only 24 hours in a day, and we have a lot of things to accomplish within this limited time. So what if I had an assistant to remind me and to help me in my day-to-day tasks, which are very simple, but I still need to accomplish. So thus a smartphone is also called a smartphone because it is not only a mobile device that combines the basic functionality of calling, but it also is a personal digital assistant. So you can see that we can do all these things, right? So apart from being a phone, it's still a phone which has its primary or basic functionality of calling. It has other things also, like we can chat with people, we can record, we can watch videos, we can play game, we can browse, we can use maps for location, we can read news, right? We can set reminders, we can set timers, right? So a lot of those functions. So you can thus call it as a personal digital assistant also, your personal assistant, your PA. Okay? So that's why we call it as a smartphone. This is about the company. So DTRI, so we are based in Mysore in Karnataka. So we are an upskill company. So we have been training students in areas of embedded systems, IoT, and 5G technologies. So when it comes to fresh engineers, we train and place them in core engineering companies because we want students to go in core engineering areas and not only in IT companies. So that is other thing. That is our focus. And we also offer certification programs and practical learning not only to fresher engineers. We also do a lot of corporate training. So we have done for TCS, Bosch, ZF, Airtel, and many such companies, L&T, many such companies. We have done corporate training programs also on all these technologies. So you can visit our website. You can get more details about what we do, and I have given the contact number here also. You can contact our company through this number. You can send WhatsApp messages, and you can also visit YouTube channel. You can communicate. You can ask questions. Then you can also write email to us.